I've just received this drawing from an outside vendor, and I want to use Layer Walk to help me understand how the vendor organized the drawing. I can access the Layer Walk tool on the Layers panel in the drop-down area. It's located right here, so I'm going to select it. The first thing I normally do is I walk through the drawing. I highlight each layer and use my down arrow key on my keyboard to quickly walk through the drawing and see what's on each layer. Filter, so I only want to see things that are on a layer that has plan in it. And notice it only shows me those layers, and I can right click and say save that as a layer state, and I'll call that 2D plan and say OK and close. So now if I come over here, notice I have a 2D plan layer state, and I've been able